Good day everyone. This tutorial is how to uninstall an application on your desktop or computer. So let's start. Look for Windows icon, click this, and look for settings, click this one. Then look for apps, uninstall, defaults, optional, and features, click this. Wait for a second. As you can see, there are lots of application installed in your computer. So look for an application that you want to uninstall. For example, you want to uninstall Bandicam. Click this uninstall, uninstall again, then click uninstall. Wait for a seconds or minutes. Just click this now. So as you can see, uninstalled was completed successfully. Close this one. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like it, and God bless us all. Stay safe.